In this video, we're going to show you how to download, install, and trust a LiveConnect certificate on your iOS device. These same steps will be mirrored on an iPad or other iOS device, but for today I'm going to use an iPhone mirroring capability to demonstrate how to do this. You'll notice when you get to the LiveConnect interface, there's a device setup option to available up here. You can scan this QR code with your phone. You can click this to download to your device, but that would be a Mac OS. That would be for the installing this on Mac OS. What we want to do is install it on our iOS device. So what I've done is actually I've taken the URL, which is available in the help doc. Again, it's the same URL that you can see here in the QR code, and I've pasted that into a Safari browser on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. It's going to ask me for permission. I'm going to select allow and select iPhone. It'll then give me a confirmation that the profile was downloaded. Then I will go ahead and under settings, go to general, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see VPN and device management, select that and select the downloaded profile. It'll say observe point. Select install, provide a passcode. In this case, I'll provide mine. It's making me disconnect and then reconnect. Okay. Once you provide that passcode, go ahead and select install. And you can click this checkbox to close it. Once you've installed it, you're not done yet. You can go in here and see that it has been installed. And by the way, there is an expiry of way far out there in the future, 2050, so you won't be worrying about that. But the last step we need to do is we need to go back up to our settings. We need to go to About. Scroll to the bottom. We need to select the certificate trust settings. Find the certificate we just installed. It says observe point. Toggle this on. Click continue. And then you're all set. Now your certificate is downloaded, installed, and trusted. And this is a one-time step that you only need to do once per device because that certificate will expire in the year 2050. You'll never have to complete this step again unless you delete the certificate or remove it from your device. Or need to apply a certificate to other devices. Reach out to your support team or anyone at Observe Point if you have questions. We'd be happy to help.